issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fayette County, Ohio, east central Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, northeastern Highland County in southwestern Ohio, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Vienna, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenfield, Leesburg, New Vienna, Good Hope, Highland, New Antioch, Rock Mills, Lees Creek, East Monroe, New Martinsburg, and Samantha. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.